be dangerous. But why not give the rest of us an option? Because for those of us who see no difference between a car and a motorbike in terms of safety, why shouldn't we have that option?
But it's about government regulation, right? So whether the government sees it as safe enough, so the government perhaps trying to regulate this sector for the benefit of users, saying, well, the risks don't, outweigh the benefit of having it. Well, who knows? I guess this is something that, the Ministry of Transport is still going to be looking at.
And Sharad, you're more than welcome to go and buy your own motorcycle. I would love to see you on a Vespa.
Can I ride side saddle? I understand that's illegal, but we take us around the kampong.
I think there are all kinds of options. I just think that, this is also a class issue because the prices will come down with a motorcycle, services of the sort. And this will benefit, working people or working class people.
Sure.
And perhaps more the middle class people who have already used a certain level of comfort.
We need to protect their hair like Han.
It gets blown in the wind quite a bit. Okay, let's turn to our morning newspapers. SST and GST dominate the front pages of the Star and NST this morning. The Star has more money, more bite. NST has 6,000 items to be taxed under SST.
Looking at the front pages of the Malay Mail and the Sun, again reflecting our conversation earlier about calls for resignation. So Malay Mail has Asaruddin quits over MH370, and the Sun has, I'm not sure whether it's a statement or a question, Ali Hamzah should go. This in reference to the Chief Secretary to the government, that Tan Sri Dr. Ali Hamzah. The G25 group has asked for Tan Sri Ali to resign.
And looking at the Malay dailies, you've got Sina Harian and Utusan still banging on that same communism drum. Sina Harian's headline reads, Jangan Pesong Sejarah, and then Utusan reads, Ganas, Kejam. This is in relation to perhaps the inclusion of the communist movement's history here in Malaysia and incorporating that into local textbooks.
When I read the headline, I'm going to have your voice in my head saying,
Ganas,
just like that.
Kejam.
Okay, what's interesting about the Sina Harian front page is that it's not their editorial line. Jangan Pesong Sejarah is not what they're saying, it's what the former Deputy Prime Minister Zahid Hamidi is saying, right? So that's one thing that needs to be made clear. The front page, it says there, and I think it's quoting, should we rewrite our history textbooks? Actually, it's a bit of I believe, the collateral from the forum that was being held, that has been held or will be held around the question of how our history is written. So, very interesting. Also, we have in our portals this morning, TMI.
Yeah, that's right. So we have on the Malaysian Insight removal of public class teacher and on the agenda. This according to the Education Minister. I guess, again, more calls for resignation. We'll dive into that a bit later, but I do want to take a look at the SST, GST stories on the front pages of Star and NST. So yesterday it was debated in Parliament, the bill to repeal GST, and more details about the incoming SSC or Sales and Services Tax. 6,400 items under this is going to be taxed under the SST.
Yeah, so 6,400, which is about 5,000 fewer than the number of items taxed under GST.
Was that 11,000?
Yeah, over 11,000, almost 11,200 items under the GST. So that list actually will be finalized next week, and you've got about 70 to 80,000 local companies expected to register under SST, which again will kick in exactly a month from today. Today's August 1st, it's going to kick in September 1st.
Yeah, well, just we have more tweets coming in on the right hailing issue.
Coming in high.
Yeah, and I think it needs to be mentioned. So that's my full name. That's the handle of the Twitter user. Thank you so much for your comments. It says, I would use it. It says, my car increased prices 2 weeks ago. We had Dago right before the previous government clamped down on it. They had 0 accidents. I suspect government said no because they have no share in it. They were hard on Uber and Grab too, but didn't change when they had a stake. Okay, but yeah, I think there is an issue of pricing, and it really does do service. In fact, Jay Menon also weighed in. He says, I see the power of it in Bangkok. I don't have to rely on inefficient feeder bus service to get to the LRT, and I'm out occasionally confronted with buses that are just not taking somebody right now. They're going to rest. They're always resting. They're very restful people, these bus drivers.
It's a stressful job.
Can you imagine if that last mile was supplied by a motorcycle service? I think it would be excellent. It would be very quick. It won't be a long ride, and so you could get to from using public transport across the city, and then the last mile, that's it.
Sounds like a very well-rehearsed pitch to be presented to the Transport Minister there, Sharakutin.
Can I also just mention a quick tweet from Divan Vasudevan from, this is regarding the national car conversation we had a little bit earlier. He's pointing to a look at Korea, where the government helped establish 5 auto companies in the